Wrapping mod making process. Make sure the original model is good. Cut the wood board into desired shapes and get corresponding vacuum groove. The product in video is a hollow one, so the vacuum groove is not necessary. Stick the original mod onto the board and keep about 3 cm distance from the edge. Fix it and then clear the original mod. Press the clay into a flake at about 4 mm thick. The dimension depends on the size of original model. Attention! Fill the concave of the original mod with clay. Cover the original model balls with the clay flake and keep it. Attention! The clay should be sticked closely to the original mod. Make silicone points on the highest point of the mod. Set up a frame which is 5 mm around the original mod. Fix it and seal it without gap. Inject preset plaster. Vacuumed plaster is better. Take apart the wood board after the plaster dry, then modify the surface of the plaster. After the modification, cut up and take the original mod out, and then screw off the sludge. Use sandpaper to polish the inside of the plaster mod. Clean the original mod and dry it with a nail gun. Weigh the clay to assure the silicon rubber amount. Apply a thick coat of Vaseline on the inside surface of the plaster mold to make the mold easy to be demolded. Cover and position the plaster mold to the original model. Glue the wooden balls and the packing cylinder, then fix them to the prescribed position. This step is to increase the pressure of silicone rubber and make the pouring process easier. Pour the evenly mixed and the aired silicone rubber to the silicone mold. After 4 hours, the silicone rubber will be cooled completely. Then pull off the plaster out mold. Remove the surplus silicone rubber and the fitting opening to make the mold perfect. Set a thin metal wire relating to the potting mold line. This step is to split the gypsum mold. Form the mold frame, which should be clung to the wooden boards closely. Pour the well-mixed gypsum into the mold frame. Upwards evolves the metal wire when the gypsum is going to be cured. Then trim the surface of the gypsum mold, which must be smooth and horizontal. Due to it is a hollow mold, the external gypsum mold must be trimmed smoothly and horizontally. Open the external gypsum mold and take out the silicone rubber mold. Till now, all processes are finished, and please note that it is better to take the finished mold into production after 24 hours.